we at the NYC Auto Parts, about to see if they got it. Remember, we were recommended by this other place, recommended by DNS, so they called, they said they got it. Let's go inside, let's see if they got it. All right, guys, so we are here at NYC Auto Parts. So I'll put the link in the description down below. Again, same thing, they got engines. So if you guys are looking for Kia engines, any type of engine or stuff like that, if you have a failed Kia engine or something like that, they probably have it at one of these places down here in Houston. You can get your engine replaced, transaxles, transmissions. They got a lot of parts out here. Look at all these, for all these four-wheel drive things out here. So I think right now they're looking for the seatbelt. They sent the guy to go look for the seatbelt. Different engines. Is that the Kia engine? That looks like a Kia engine, 2014. They got different motors. Let's see, is this a Kia? I ain't seen a Kia engine. But if they don't got it, they can definitely source it for you. LS swaps. Listen, if you need an LS, legit street cars, come here, Houston, Texas. These places have it.
Record you?
No, I want to record you. So Shelly just negotiated. So make sure you always bring your wife to help you negotiate.
Mexican wife.
No. So tell us what happened.
Okay, so what happened was, what do you mean what happened?
Tell us how you negotiated.
I did negotiate.
Well, I mean, you attempted to.
Well, $100. So we said 100 for two.
Yeah.
He says, yeah, that was good. I don't know what he originally was going to charge us.
Yeah.
And then I said, what about 80? And then he was like, no, let's do 100 because it's hard to get these parts. And then when they do get the good parts, they get shipped off very fast. And these seat belts are really, he said they're really, really good. He even asked what color we wanted.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter. He says they're really good. They're not locked.
Oh.
And then he's going to pull them for us.
Hold up, hold this. I need this. I need the whole thing. I think I have the picture. This is what I need to make sure.
Maybe we should have told him.
I know, I forgot.
He said the lock and then the seatbelt, or what do you need? With the motor? Because I think he said something about that.
He did?
He said something like that.
Does it come, it's all this. This is what I need. Make sure.
Okay, let's go show so we can make sure. I'm bad, you know Spanish. I don't know English.
It's everything like this. That's your uncle.
Yeah, it's locked.
It's
So
locked.
sí, necesito esto. Okay, no necesito
Esto no necesita porque eso está en el
en
sí.
la seat. Okay, perfect. Perfectico.
Okay, so I
Perfect.
don't need,
You don't
I
need
don't
that.
need this piece because it already comes in the seat. I just need this piece because it's already locked. Thank you. Gracias. Hey guys, so the gentleman, did you get his name? Okay, so the gentleman right there just explained to me that I actually do not need this little piece, this little bottom piece right here, because when searching on like eBay and stuff like that, and this is why it's always good to come to junkyards, because you're gonna learn something that these guys do every day. They do it all the time. So I thought that I needed the whole piece. The gentleman over there just explained to Chelly that no, that piece isn't needed because it automatically comes into the seat. That's not the part that actually locks. That's a separate part of the seatbelt system. So the part that locks is the actual seatbelt where it goes down. So they're actually just pulling out only what I need. I'll be able to go home. And I kind of thought that, but I didn't know. So me, I'll buy extra, and if I don't need it, I just don't need it. But in this case, he's like, listen, you don't need it unless like you were hit on the bottom or something like that. And I don't have any damage to the seat or anything like that. So when you're buying the seatbelts, at least for this car, you do not need that little bottom piece. You just need the seatbelt buckle and everything else that comes with it, and that guy's taking it out. They also asked what color did I want. I don't care because it's gonna be my car. But I guess if you're gonna sell the car, you don't wanna have mismatched seatbelts because somebody might think, oh, these seatbelts were put in after. I should ask for the airbag, but I'm not. I'm just gonna worry about that later. But yes, I just learned something very new, and thank you for Chelly for being able to really translate and get like, because if two people are trying to explain something, it could be like a little difficult. You might not understand it, but he explained it very well. Like, hey, listen, you don't need this part. It comes in the seat. You just need this part right here. And I was really unsure, but now I'm sure. So we're great. $100. Can't beat that. It's the cheapest price. Like I said, $50. These things are going for $100, $125. I think LKQ had it for $75 at the cheapest, plus shipping or whatever. So that's gonna be, yeah, we're just waiting on him to come back. All right, guys, they got both of them. They got both seatbelts. Finally, I got the seatbelts for the Impala, so now I can actually drive safely, finally. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna go inside, we're gonna pay. They let us take pictures with this, so we're gonna go inside, we're gonna pay for these things, so let's head on inside. Does he need to take them, or?
No, we can take them up.
We can take them up, you sure?
Gracias.
You need to see them and let them on the counter.
Do you need a receipt? No recibo. Tienes, you take cash?
Cash.
Cash. No, I'm just kidding. That's it.
80 more 20.
Yeah, I see.
He said plus 20.
Plus 20.
Plus 20.
80 plus 20. Good deal.
So there we go. We got the seatbelts, guys. Thank you so much to Mr.
¿Tu
¿Qué
nombre?
youtuber?
Sí.
Roger. Mr.
Roger?
Mr. Roger. So guys,
Roger.
come check out Mr. Roger. He's gonna hook you up. I've been looking all over for these seatbelts. We finally got them. I can drive the car safe. So stay tuned for the video when I teach you how to put these seatbelts into the car. And we're gonna be doing a lot of other stuff to the car. So thank you guys tuning into this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and
Oh, sí. Oh, yeah,
Oh, yeah.
we already did.
yeah, a bunch, yeah.
Cuando nosotros tenemos la página también en Facebook, cuando necesitan algo, tenemos nuestra página
Ajá.
para que ahí pueden ver todo lo que pasa.
Oh, okay, Nico. Oh, he's
Nico?
saying put his Facebook so they can see.
Y ahí
it.
está todo,
So
todo el
it'll
inventario.
list, see, it'll list all his inventory.
Okay, so definitely check them out on Facebook. Here's all the information right here. Check them out on Facebook and then hit them up and tell them that Straight Outta Content or Carl sent you, Carlos and Micaela, that they sent you. And then, yeah, they got all the parts that you need. So especially all you Kia guys out there and Hyundai guys, if you need something with your car, if you need it to fix. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Be basic. Peace.